Smart Jithuda's YouTube channel. Today's video representing MSc Scholarship Exam Paper 2, Subject English, Vocabulary Part 6 for Standard 5th class. Today's subunit 2.6, Finding Small Words from the Bigger Ones. Let's understand this activity is useful for enrichment of student vocabulary. A word having more numbers of words is given to the student. Student will be able to make small words using these letters from the given bigger words. For example, first gold. From the word of gold, the new word is originated from gold is old. So, old is a meaningful word. In example second, sparrow. In a sparrow, there is another word in sparrow which is arrow. So, arrow is originated from the sparrow. Like that, we are solving some questions. Let's understand which type of question are asked in the exam. Let's see question number first. Choose the meaningful word from the given word calendar. We have to choose a meaningful word from the word calendar. So, the new word is originated from calendar is option number first, C-A-R, car, right? C-A and here is R. Car is a meaningful word, right? So, option first is correct. D-E-R have a no meaning. C-A-L have a no meaning and L-E-N have a no meaning. So, these options are incorrect. Option 2 is incorrect, option 3 is incorrect and option 4 is incorrect. Question number 2. From the word blackboard, which word will be opposite from underlined word? We have to know opposite of underlined word. The word is black. So, opposite of black is white, right? So, option number 3 is correct. If you know the opposite words, you are easily solve the question. Question number 3. Rearrange the letter to get a meaningful word from R. We have to find out a meaningful word, right? So, rearrange the letter and see A-E-R in option first. A-E-R have a no meaning. So, option first is incorrect. In option second, R-E-A, the letters have no meaning. In option 3, R-A-E have a no meaning. And in option 4, E-A-R, ear have a meaning, right? If we rearrange the word A-R-E, E-A-R. So, the new word formation is E-A-R, ear. So, option 4 is correct for this question. Question number 5. Choose the correct word made from study. We have to rearrange the letters from study. Rearranging the letters, right? So, first find out the letter which is present in word study. In option first, the letter R is not present in word study. So, option first is incorrect one. In option 2, P is not present in study, right? P letter is not present in the word study. So, option 2 also incorrect. In option 3rd, D-U-S-T, dust. Dust have a meaning, right? And all the letters in dust present in study. See, if we rearrange the letters D, U, S, T, new formation word is dust. There is a hint in such type of questions. You have to know only those letters which is present in the word study. Find out those letters first which are present in a given word study, right? So, from this type of question, third option is correct for this question. Question number 6. Find the hidden word from radish. We have to find the hidden word. Hidden word means the word is given in this question. See, RAD, red, RAD have no meaning, right? SHID, she'd have no meaning, and RDAS have no meaning. So option 2 is incorrect, option 3 is incorrect, and option 4 also incorrect. The hidden word is DISH, dish. Dish have a meaning, right? So option first is correct for this question. Question number 7, write the missing letter. We have to write a missing letter in this box. In option first, GEN, Gen, if in this box, if we write G, so GNE have no meaning, GWL have no meaning, and GDD have no meaning. So option first is incorrect, right? In option second, YNE have no meaning, YWL have no meaning, and YDD have no meaning. So option 2 also incorrect. In option third, ANEN have no meaning, AWL have no meaning, and ADD have no meaning. So option third also incorrect. Option 4, O, if we write O in this box, so ONE1 have a meaning, OWL have a meaning, and ODD odd have a meaning, right? So option 4 is correct for this given question. Question number 8. How many two letters word will be formed using the word tortoise? First, you have to know that how many letters are present to form a word. So see carefully. There is a two-letter word. In this given word tortoise is first 2, right? TO2, TO2, right? Second, OR, or. So OR is the second letter. Only we have to find the two letters word, right? Third letter is TO2. So TO2, right? And fourth letter is is, which is formed by two letters only. So the option number 4 is correct for this given question. Question number 9. Select the group of letter to replace the question mark. You have to identify in box there is a question mark, and in question mark which letter is put in the box to form a new word, to form a new with meaningful word. So first what you have to check from the option first, MEN, man, right? There is a meaning. AEN have no meaning. So option first is incorrect. In option 2, DEN, Dan have a meaning. If we put in first box D, so to DEN have meaning Dan. If in second box we put H in this box, then HEN have a meaning, right? And in third box if we put T, then TEN, ten have a meaning. So option second is correct. But you have to check other options also. In option third, UEN have no meaning, so option third is incorrect. In fourth option, GEN, Gen have no meaning, so option fourth is incorrect. For this given question, option 2 is correct. Question number 10. Using the letter from the box, new meaningful words are formed. Find the correct group of missing letter. We have to find the missing letters. In option first, NEAR. If we put N in this box, so NEAR have a meaning. In box number 2, if we put Y, so YEAR have a meaning. If we put Q in third box, but QEAR have no meaning. So option first is incorrect. Option number 2, ZEAR. If we put Z in first box, ZEAR have a no meaning. Option 2 is also incorrect. In option 3, DEAR, dear. If we put D in first box, DEAR have a meaning. So correct. Y, if we put Y in second box, YEAR have a meaning, right? If we put P in third box, PEAR have a meaning, pear. Pear is a fruit, right? So pear have a meaning. B, if we put B in fourth box, so BEAR have a meaning, bear. Bear is a animal. So option third is correct for this given question. Such type of questions are repeatedly asked in exam. You have to know the trick which is followed or which is used in this examination. So if you like the video, please subscribe the video, share the video or comment below if you have any query. Thank you for joining online classes.